sa beach, sa Siargao para mag-ano po ng community service po namin kasama yung mga aspirants po namin at yung mga kasama din po namin ang mga taga Macau na Eagles Club po. This is the way na magpasalamat po dito sa Hong Kong, yung paglilinis po dito sa area kung saang maraming mga tourists o mga ibang friends, kababayan na pumupunta po dito sa beach. And because Hong Kong is our second home po, kaya i-maintain din po yung cleanliness po dito.
Yes, good morning everyone. We're from Macau, International Eagles Club. We're inviting here in Hong Kong. And we just came here to help people, to show our unity. And we do this one every time you need. We do community service, yes, each and every one. Kami po ay handang tumulong sa inyong pananawagan. Kami po ay handang lumipad. Hindi lang po sa Hong Kong, hindi lang po sa Macau, all over the world, kung kinakailangan po ng ating mga kababayan.
I'm happy to welcome our brothers from Macau Makiling International Eagles Club here in Hong Kong. We're doing our joint coastal cleanup drive, which is part of our commitment and our mandate in our organization, in our club. So I'm happy that they came along from Macau with their aspirants also, and with our aspirants from the Grand Hong Kong Eagles Club and Grand Hong Kong Lady Eagles Club. For the next project, we're looking forward to go to Macau and do the community service too with them. So I'm happy that they came here in Hong Kong, and we just enjoy the moment for now. So this is our way of thanking the Hong Kong government for the opportunity that they've given us to work here in Hong Kong. So we're helping the Hong Kong government to clean the environment. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay!
Yes, once again, we're looking forward to invite you, Kuya Press, in Macau. So we try our best, we do our best to help people, not only the Filipino people, not only the community people. We also can help internationally, like Chinese people. We do the same. So looking forward, you visit us. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Mabuhay, Kuya.